Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video Python program to print in a range without using loop. So let's start it. In the first line, it defines a recursive function named printRange which passes two parameters start and end. The purpose of this function is designed to print all integers from starting to end inclusively. Now, in the next line, this condition checks if the starting number is greater than the ending number. As if start is greater than the end, the function terminates by using the return statement. It acts as the base case for the recursion, stopping further calls when the range is completed. Now, in the next line, it prints the current value of start and outputs the current number in the range before proceeding to the next one. Here, in the next line, this calls the print range function again, incrementing start by 1 while keeping and unchanged. It progresses the recursion by moving closer to the base case, ensuring all the numbers from start to end are printed sequentially. Now, in the next line, the first line prompts the user to input the starting of the range and the second line prompts the user to input the ending of the range. This collects the range boundaries to pass to the print range function. Now in the last line, this calls the print range function with the user provided start and end values and triggers the recursive printing process. So let's check this program. I am entering the starting number, starting of the range, and now I am entering the entering number means ending of the range. Hence we got all the integers in between these numbers sequentially. So thanks for watching this video.